Fantastic Southwest Corner Unit West Oversized 175 square feet Balcony West Partial NYC Views featuring 1166 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths and private parking located in downtown Hoboken. Beautifully renovated open kitchen West Silestone countertops and breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets, frosted Italian glass backsplash, accented West recessed and undermount lighting. Sun-drenched living room West HWFS throughout, direct access to priv balcony and dining area with chandelier plus extra storage cabinets. Large master bedroom West 2 large closets and private bath West whirlpool tub. Other features include spacious guest bedroom West large closet, full guest bath, welcoming entry foyer and custom blinds throughout. Professionally managed elevator building loaded West amenities such as doorman, shuttle to path station, 24-hour valet parking, gym, common outdoor patio and laundry room on each floor. Great downtown location, just blocks to NYC buses, restaurants, shops and upcoming Southwest Park.